Guys, Maxwell is in danger. Ah, oh my goodness, you scare me crap. Oh, it's you. I was playing with my toy train. You wanna play it with my toy train? You wanna? Well, okay. If you don't wanna play with me. Okay, what's the problem? Fox just kidnapped Maxwell? Yes, you need to come. No, I will save Maxwell. Okay, but run. Okay. Okay, Maxwell, welcome to my home. Oh, cute. Because you're my meal. No, please. I don't know why I am a meal because I don't want to eat me. Do you think I'm a meal or what? Yes, I think so. Hello, bitch. Oh, wait, what's your language? Okay, never mind. Ouch! Oh my God, you saved me. I can believe it. You saved me. How did you save me? Well, it's it's actually a long story. Shiharka told me this. Okay, now let's get out of here. Okay. Oh man, I made it to Fox's house. Wait, where's Maxwell? Oh my goodness, I missed again.